Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best laser level Dewalt that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Dewalt Green Crossline Laser. The Dewalt Level Crossline Laser in green is a versatile and durable tool designed for various applications. With its enhanced visibility and range, this laser level is perfect for picture hanging and construction projects. The overmolded housing provides durability and a 1-meter drop rating, ensuring it can withstand tough worksite conditions. It features a patented integrated magnetic bracket and a full-time pulse mode. The laser level is water and debris resistant with an IP54 rating, making it suitable for use in different environments. It offers an impressive range of up to 300 feet, when used with a detector, sold separately, and has an accuracy of plus or minus 1/8 inch at 30 feet. The Dewalt Level Crossline Laser also comes with a 1/4 inch 20-thread mount for use with a tripod, sold separately. Moving on at number 4, we have the Dewalt Laser Level Tripod. The Dewalt Laser Level Tripod is a versatile and reliable tool for precise measurements. With its aluminum construction, collapsible legs, and tilting head with integrated level, this laser tripod provides stability and accuracy. It also features non-skid feet and includes a convenient carrying pouch. The 1/4 inch x 20 thread mount allows for easy attachment of laser level tools. The tripod comes in a sleek black and silver design. Overall, it is a well-built and adjustable tripod that is suitable for various applications. The Dewalt Laser Level Tripod is a reliable and adjustable tool that provides stability and accuracy for precise measurements. It is well built and comes with useful features such as collapsible legs, a tilting head with an integrated level, and non-skid feet. However, the cheaply made crank and flimsy legs are minor drawbacks. At number 3, we have the Dewalt DW0802 Laser Square. The Dewalt DW0802 Laser Square in yellow offers precise positioning and accuracy of plus or minus 3/16 in. At 33 feet, it includes 3 integrated mounting pins for easy affixing to wall surfaces. With 3 bubble vials and an aluminum base, this laser square is durable and ensures accurate measurements. It is also resistant to debris and water with an IP54 rating. The laser square comes in a tool pouch for safe storage. Although it may not be suitable for outdoor use, it is ideal for indoor applications like tile work and layout. Users appreciate its simplicity and effectiveness in keeping things aligned. Overall, the Dewalt DW0802 Laser Square is a reliable tool for achieving precise measurements. At number 2, we have the Dewalt 20 volts, 12 volts max laser level kit. The Dewalt 20 volts, 12 volts max laser level kit is a highly accurate and versatile tool for achieving plumb lines and precise positioning. With an IP54 rating, this laser level is resistant to debris and water, making it ideal for job site use. It features an integrated magnetic pivoting base with thread options for use with the tripod. The laser has a visible distance of 230 feet, and a max detector range of 330 feet. It offers 10 hours of runtime on a single 20 volts max 2.0 Ah battery. The Dewalt Laser Level Kit comes in a 6-piece set and is backed by overmolded case for durability. The Dewalt 20 volts, 12 volts max laser level kit is a reliable and efficient tool for achieving plumb lines and precise positioning. It offers accurate measurements and a long battery life, making it suitable for various projects. While it may have limited visibility in bright sunlight and the product description may be misleading for the 3x360 laser, the overall performance and durability of this laser level make it a valuable addition to any storage setup. And finally at number 1, we have the Dewalt 20 volts max. The Dewalt 20 volts max laser level kit is a high-quality crossline laser that is perfect for both professional use and DIY purposes. It features two green cross-line beams that are visible up to 180 feet, or 330 feet with a detector. With an accuracy of 1/8 at 30 feet, you can rely on this laser to provide precise measurements. The 20 volts max battery platform ensures a runtime of up to 16 hours on a 2.0 Ah battery, making it highly efficient. This laser is also equipped with a laser class 2 technology, ensuring safety with a power output of less than equals 1.5 milliwatts at 510 to 530 nanometers. The Dewalt 20 volts max laser level kit is a reliable and efficient tool for any professional or DIY enthusiast. Its green cross-line beams provide excellent visibility, and its accuracy at 1/8 is impressive. The 20 volts max battery platform ensures a long runtime, and the laser's compact design makes it easy to handle.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.